Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and this is a weapon that hasn't been forgotten at all, but it also won't be made for 600 years because this is the M90 Cause out of Halo. Now, I'm not going to have it that much longer, and I want to do like some fun stuff with it. So what's the most inappropriate thing I could do with a video game combat shotgun like this? Shoot at some clay pigeons. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's load it up here. I do not have the reloading speed of Master Chief, nor do I have hordes of aliens to shoot at with it, but we do have some thrown clay pigeons. All right, Jordan, if you would, pull. Oh yeah. First shot and a hit. Woo.
Those sights must be very good.
Yes. Yes, they are. Hit me. Ah, nope. This has a really long, heavy trigger pull to it. All right, 3 for 4. Got one more round. What do you got for me? All right, now I suspect Jordan's not throwing these quite as far as like a proper mechanized trap and skeet range would, but I'm pretty surprised at 4 out of 5. That's pretty awesome. All right, first one, hit me. Crap. All right, let's go. That's not great. Crap! Ah, I even missed that one. Nope. Nope. Trigger pull's too heavy. One more. I got that one. I think it was off frame though. All right, I got to be able to redeem myself here. I mean, just because I've like never done this in my life. Othnius has no idea what he's missing out on here. All right. Give me another one. Jesus. All right.
That one was on me.
Yeah, well, I still should have hit it. I should probably focus on something other than just staring at the thrown clay. There we go. I got one. Woo, one. Hold on. Okay. That one was close, but close doesn't count. My horrific rate of not hitting here probably has something to do with the sights on this guy, which are apparently great for the flood and not so great for trap and skeet. They are, in fact, too low to actually get your face comfortably down or physically down on the stock at all. But that's how they're rendered in Halo, so that's how this gun was built. But come on, I can do better. I want to try another round of this.
I think I know what the issue is.
The issue is that I am not hitting.
The issue is there's no hippos on the ammo.
That's probably it. It's not the appropriate, correct ammunition. All right.
Ready?
Yep. I got that one. You all saw it. I got that one. All right. And I made up for it by missing that one twice. Let's go. Ah, low. I thought I could
It's okay.
intercept it on the way down.
The UNSC is paying for the ammo.
Oh, good. Yeah. Ah.
Ready?
All right, bring it on. No idea where that one went. Yes! Ha! All right. How many more could it?
Go fast, you can hit. It's the slow ones.
Maybe? All right. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. How many of these do I need to hit before we have enough we can just splice them together and make me look great?
2 more.
Nope. Low. All right, I got one more round. I can do this. I can do 3 out of 5. Let's go.
Oh, that was...
Got it, though? Woo! 3 out of 5. All right. Oh! My last round. Ah! I was so close. So close to being able to go 4 for 4. But I at least got 3 in a row. That's not bad. This is a seriously cool shotgun that I am putting in seriously the worst possible place to use it. This is a very cool shotgun. This is, of course, a prototype. This is not a production line thing. This was a one-off. And that's why the trigger pull is not great, shall we say. The trigger pull, and we have a separate video, if I haven't published it yet, I will be, on showing you exactly how the trigger mechanism works in here. But there's a lot of mechanical connections and friction involved in taking the trigger that originally would have been up here and moving it down there. So not the greatest thing for shooting clays between the really heavy trigger, the massively front-heavy gun, and the lack of a bead sight that you can get your eye on. And yet, still remarkably fun. I think that just goes to show that shooting clays is actually a really fun pastime, and it's something that I ought to do more of. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's just a fun opportunity out at the range. Thanks for watching.